Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'm the video editor for Crush It in Real Estate. Today I'll show you how to activate post notifications on Facebook pages you follow. By selecting the three dotted button next to the search symbol, then choose Follow Settings from the drop-down menu. A window will appear with a number of options for controlling the types of notifications you receive and the frequency with which they appear. From here you can change the priority of your Facebook posts, so that you can see this particular page's posts being first when you open up your Facebook page, such as posts from this particular page to having the most priority. Snoozing this page allows you to not see this page's posts for a while or never seeing them. Below are the notification options, where you can change the types of posts you see when you receive notifications. You can choose how often a post notification appears when you select a type of post. We'll use regular posts as an example. Then you can choose a different choice in this box. In this case, we'll choose standard, which means you'll see new posts popping up to 5 times per day. When you select this option, you'll see post notifications appear from now on. These options allow you to be able to customize how a Facebook page's posts can appear to you, whether it be from more of a priority. In this case, if you follow this page on a regular basis, you can change the types of notifications and the frequency that they appear on your wall. An example of why you would do this is, say that you follow content from a page frequently. This will allow you to not miss anything that shows up, and you'll immediately know when a post appears. So I hope this helps when you're looking for a way to keep up with our content. And until then, we'll catch you next time.